Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about used shopping review that this is a legit a scam, and this, by the way, I can prove it in the just few seconds or few minutes why this website is completely fake and another scam, right? The very first thing is that based on the available reviews, it appears that used sofa shopping is like a fraudulent and scammy website. By the way, I'm talking about the sofa, but here you can say it's all women dresses, right? Because few months ago, this website was selling sofas, right? And they did some kind of scams, or right now they have completely changed their product to a different something, right? Same thing, I can show you some of the images like here you can see, right? Used, and this is the same website. They earlier they were selling some kind of sofas, and before that they were selling some kitchenware, and now they are selling dresses. But if you just try to go through this website, here you will find one thing, that this website is made on Shopify. And if I just go to contact us on information here, you can see that you can contact them, and this is a phone number. I don't know whether this works or not. And when I just try to try to copy their company address and everything, so let's find out that whether this is original or fake, right? Which you can see here. When I just type the exactly same address here, they gave me the used Better Business Bureau profile. And when I just go to this website, you can see the reviews. It's 1 out of 5. This is the same number and everything here. So let me just try to match the number here. Okay, 5408 and 5408, right? It's exactly same. Okay, so we can verify this. And here, 4 complaints closed in last 3 years, 4 complaints closed in last 12 months, right? And I want to see the complaints here. And I ordered a dress for my daughter, and when they order, okay, this is on the same month here, on the first of the date. Okay, when the item arrived, it was not only the wrong size but was a completely different dress altogether. Okay, I order satin long slit thin. I don't know, they have hide the name here. Yes, online the dress, it's the same thing. It's a recent. I want to find out the complaints about the sofas and everything, because they have completely flipped the product in just few months. And here, this is another website which I found it from here. This is right abroad. And when I just go here, and it is around 148 days old. It's not even around, you can say, 3 months, right? More than 3 or 4 months, right? And hosted by the Cloudflare in Canada. Okay, so it's hosted in Canada, but why it's saying in United States, right? I don't know what's the this thing is here. Okay, everything is wrong. The only the email is correct here, and they never reply to the email. And on the privacy policy page, so in the privacy policy page of here of this website, when I just go here, privacy policy, right, let me just find out that whether they're showing me the exact correct information or not. Okay, so this email is not available. In fact, there is a no email available here. Is .com, there's a no email here. Still everything is wrong, and still this is can't believable, because they have the trust score is completely zero, and there are so many reviews available, and they just keep deleting it from the trust pilot as well, which I try to find out. Some month ago is the worst, but right now it's nothing. So it's completely up to you that you want to trust this website or not, because for me it's completely not, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.